This section will cover the installation process of the Moletech fuel saver system for a motorcycle or scooter. The process is simple, but there are a few things to keep in mind. First, simply drop the fuel saver sensor into your fuel tank and wait 15 minutes for it to react with the fuel. After waiting 15 minutes, rev the motorcycle's engine in neutral for 3 to 5 minutes, alternating just over 50% of your maximum RPM. This will activate the system and complete the motorcycle installation process.